Congratulations to all my winners. This video is recorded for you guys so you can see how I chose the winners. Man, if y'all know what I've been through trying to upload this video the past few days. Anyway, all I'm going to say is God is good. I've been able to do this, and here we are now. My first winner is 2 through y'all. Yay! Go girl. So she won on the first video. Anastasia Beverly Hills with Jackie Aina palette. So you're gonna get this palette right here. The second video, I am going to click the pick a winner. Here we go. And that is Redoggy Tet, girl. This hair, I'm going to show it better. This girl won one of my stuff last year, one of my giveaways last year, and she won again. How cool is that? La Joya Query. Go, go, go. Next winner here. Okay, hold on. This girl has won again. Oh Redoggy Tet. So you get 2 gifts, okay? Beautiful crochet hair, which you could use. It's a ringlet wand hair. You can use it for either crochet or you can use it to braid. Either twists or 3 braids, okay? It comes in this bag. You get 3 packs in this bag. Video number 4. Winner is Mariela Marquez. All right, girl. Congratulations to you, Mariela. Okay, let's move on. So, cute green bag. It has a Huda Beauty lip. It says lip strobe. That's it. So you, a lucky winner, will be getting this in this green bag. You'll also be getting this Lovely by Jessica Parker, a roll-on perfume. You will be getting an eyeshadow, Kaleido Cosmetics. Okay. I'm sure it's in some type of iridescent color. Usually when you see white shadows like that, they it's like monochromatic. And then you will be getting this MAC Falls Lash Extreme Black Mascara. Let's go click out of this. Go to next video. Open it. Pick a winner. Click on pick a winner down there. And let's pick a winner. Video number 5. It is Chocolatey Diamond. Congratulations, girl. And you will be getting this cute pink bag blotter by Mary Kay. And then you get this Vice liquid lipstick by Urban Decay. So you get that. Black Opium perfume sample. Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel by Benefit. Okay. So these are the items in day 5 giveaway. I'm reliving this with y'all. Pick a winner, click on it. Here we go. And it is Southern BBW. Congratulations. Ardell Lashes. BBW. And then you get this eyeshadow. You also get a mascara by It. And then you get this eyeshadow by The Buzz Blue. And then you get a Lipgasm lip gloss. Okay, let me show you the color real quick. That's the color. Let's go, let's go. Next one, next winner. I just wanted to do this with you guys to see how it's a random pick and I'm not picking the winners, you know. So I like this. I like to show y'all how it's done. Next one here for video number 7. Let's see. Peach, Georgia. Peach, Georgia. 5 packs of hair. This is the Mambo Open Loop, and it says Human Hair Feel. It's by Janet. You're gonna get 2 color 30 and 3 color 33. And for day 7, you get some hair. Okay. Winner for this one too, and it is Mariela Marquez. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Again. Back to back. Mariana Marquez won video number 8 and video number 9. How cool is that? Okay. Man, girl. Alright, so let's get out of that. X out. Botanical Effects Mary Kay 3-step cleansing system. You get 1 cleanse, 1 freshen, and you get 1 mask. And so a lucky subscriber is going home with 3 of these. Thanks out that. Let's go to video number 9. Angie Long. And it's Angie Long. Angie Long, congratulations. Alright guys, so this is the end of it. My email address is marissa.joe@gmail.com. So just hit me in my email, give me your address, and I'll mail the items to you. This necklace that I made by hand, I am giving you something that I have made myself. Okay, so you'll be getting this necklace. It goes, you could either wear it like this, or you can wear it like this, where it faces you like that. And then you get these bangles that I made from African Fabrics. Okay, so you get 3, and you get this, and then you also get the mint lotion. For day 10, I am going to throw in an extra gift that is a surprise, and so whoever wins day 10 will have a surprise gift with these items as well.